the Almighty without any divisions. But we, the jealous humans, have created boundaries in between countries, continents, religions, and even gender. Hello everyone, this is me, Jiggisha Nayak, and today I am going to throw some lights on my concern was on the topic boys versus girls. Does that matter? Recently, I heard a radio show discussing about boys and girls, and so much was said about the differences between boys and girls. They considered boys from Mars and girls from Venus. But the actual fact of matter is boys and girls are no other species. There is only just a small biological difference. Being myself a girl, I think that I can clarify you the current circumstances about boys and girls in the whole world. I see that there is no difference between a lad and a lass in my family, my school and my society. However, I get even more scope and freedom than the boys. Equal opportunities, equal preference and equal voice is given to both of them. My parents support me in each and everything it may be in competition, seminar, etc. Talking from the mythological point of view, we know about the Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, the creator, the preserver and the destroyer. Now they were all boys. On the other side, we know that the defense minister as Durga Mata, education minister as Saraswati Mata and finance minister as Lakshmi Mata. Now they were all girls. So see how from the ancient times only boys and girls were equal and they had equal positions. We know that though lad and lass look different, but they have equal ability and intelligence, whether in the case of sports, education, politics or any other field. I believe that not any one of them is better than the other. For instance, in the field of sports, we know PT Usha, the Payoli Express. In education, IPS Kiran Bedi. In politics, Indira Gandhi and Pratibha Patel. So see how we the girls have proven ourselves to be equal as boys. For more illustration, let me give you the example of Lord Shiva who exclaimed himself as Ardhanarishwara, which means that boys and girls are equal in this whole world and without any one of them, the whole world is just incomplete. With this, I would like to state that the only thing that the youth of India can do is to stop gender discrimination in our country and provide equal voice to both boys and girls by understanding our roles and responsibilities. With this, I, Jiggisha Nayak, would like to end my say. Thank you and have a very wonderful day ahead.